Thank you for using this tutorial. Hopefully it has prepared you to save images for the web properly. Please provide me with feedback. My email address is listed, as well as the various sources that I gained the information to pass on to you. I hope this again has been very knowledgeable, and I hope that you've learned a great deal and had a little fun at the same time. Thank you.